Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong love reading para sa Leo Collective. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung masasagot mong energy and hopefully this will resonate. And as I always remind everyone, ang collective reading may or may not resonate. Depende kasi kung nasagot ko yung energy ninyo while doing the reading. And kung nag-resonate ko, comment na kayo sa baba how it resonated. Pero kung hindi talaga, wag pilitin, or just take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga, wag pilitin. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Kaya best to subscribe para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos, or panoorin nyo yung mga videos na na-post ko na in the past. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo dahil ang tarot and oracle reading naman talaga ay timeless. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 6 na cards from this deck. So 2 for the recent past, 2 for the present, and 2 for the near future, and we'll clarify it further using the other deck. Pero bunot na tayo. And I'll get the 4th card dahil April ngayon. So, recent past, Knight of Wands, and Two of Wands. Present moment, Ace of Cups, and Eight of Cups. Wands, Cups. Future, near future, Queen of Swords, and Justice. Okay, swords. Okay. So bottom of the deck is the Hanged Man. Okay. So this is the energy you don't see coming. Pero for now, you might be dealing with a Libra, okay, or a Pisces. So, pwedeng yun yung signs ng person niyo, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagop sa reading na to. Pero check nyo rin yung kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising placements. Baka, ano sila? Pisces or Libra sila sa mga placement na yun. Okay, so in the recent past, okay, there was a decision na nangyari with the Two of Wands in parang take ng risk kayo pareho sa relasyon. Okay, you both took a risk in the recent past. Okay, and that decision is rooted syempre sa kagustuhan ninyo na magkatuluyan or i-pursue yung relationship. And with the Knight of Wands pa, there's so much thrill kasi parang nakita nyo na parang, oh my God, this is so much excitement na ang daming mga kaganapan when it comes to alam mo yun, yung honeymoon stage ba. So ang daming mga nangyari na you felt very ecstatic, happy, alam mo yun, parang nasa cloud nine kayo na ganung level of energy. That's why you decided and took a risk to commit to this relationship. Okay? And tingnan natin yung detalye ng reading na to. Kung bakit yung card na lumabas. Pero, habang binabalasa ko tong card, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Leo na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Please continue to support it by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin kayo sa baba, lalo na ako nag-resonate. And, kung bago kayo, please subscribe to my channel para mag-grow yung channel ko at marami pa akong magawang love readings para sa inyo. Okay? So, ayun. Tulungan lang. Alright. So, bakit Knight of Wands and Two of Wands? Yeah. I have the Page of Cups and Two of Swords. So with the Page of Cups, yun nga, parang ang daming, alam mo yun, yung dahil nga very fresh, yung vibe is, alam mo yun, bagong-bago sa inyo. There are a lot of surprises, may mga kung ano-anong pakulo ang ginagawa ng person ninyo to really make you happy or to really commit. And then parang yun, mapa-oo kayo, makuha yung loob nyo and all. And with the Two of Swords, yun nga, may mga compromises kayong ginawa, then it's a difficult choice. Kaya nga, you took a risk. You and your person took a risk to commit to this relationship. It's a very hard decision kasi, yun nga, syempre, part of you din na parang, this is too good to be true. Pero, tinuloy nyo pa rin, pinus nyo pa rin yung relationship, and at the present moment naman is there's a lot of love naman sa with the Ace of Cups. It's a card of love. Happy naman kayo, very abundant naman. So yung decision to commit, naging fruitful naman siya. However, with the Eight of Wands kasi, may mga self-discovery. Siyempre, as you stay together longer, or as you and your partner nagpo-progress sa relationship, siyempre nakikilala nyo rin, mas nakikilala nyo isa't isa, and may mga discovery about yourself, about your partner, about the relationship na minsan napapaisip ka na is it really not naman na parang pinag-isipan nyo kung tama yung decision nyo, pero may mga bagay kasi na parang yun napapaisip kayo na ready na ba ako i-let go talaga yung mga bagay dati na ini-enjoy ko when I was still not committed sa relationship. May ganong reflections lang. Pero tingnan natin saan nanggagaling yun at bakit hindi mo lalabas despite the Ace of Cups na mahal nyo naman yung isa't isa. The Hierophant. Oh, the Sun. See, happy kayo eh. Pero kasi yan, yung merong happy kayo sa relationship, and with the Hierophant naman is really parang committed naman kayo talaga sa relationship, and it's there's may nag-align naman yung mga values ninyo, yung mga beliefs ninyo, yung mga gusto nyo sa relationship, yung mga hobbies, alam mo yun, yung mga traits ninyo nag-align din, nagtutugma din, di ba? Walang incompatibility, very happy kayo. Pero syempre, there's also that happiness that you have to, or you decided also, kasi nag-commit ka na nga to really let go and walk away from which is yung enjoyment na tatamasa mo when you were still single or not yet committed to this person. May magiging parang wishful thinking minsan na Alam mo yan. Pero happy kayo. As, kita naman dito with the sun, tapos with the Ace of Cups pa, that there's so much love, happiness, and abundance, and na double confirm pa siya with the sun, that at the present moment, happy kayo sa isa't isa. In the near future, there will be more clarity when it comes to ano yung mga gusto ninyo. Kasi nga, di ba, may mga self-discovery kayo at the present moment, and this will be relayed, and this will be um, mas mapapag-usapan ninyo at ma-align ninyo yung mga goals ninyo. Like, kung wari, meron kayong, sa Justice kasi, it's a card of fairness as well and harmony na to be fair, parang gano'n. Sige, let's be fair na may mga dreams or may mga pinlano din kayo before kayo mag-commit. And mas, dahil mas magdidipin yung connection ninyo and there will be more clarity and mas with the Queen of Swords kasi ito yung energy na, okay, sige pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung gusto natin. And there will be more open-mindedness na, okay, sige, gusto mo pala siyang gawin. Then go, i-push mo siya. You don't have to involve me kasi nga dream mo siya as an individual. Parang ganon, personal goals mo siya. May ganong ano naman si person mo. And I think the same din sa'yo that you will reciprocate naman na parang pag may siya may mga gusto rin siyang gawin na part ng kanyang personal goals, susuportahan mo rin naman. Pero sige, tingnan natin ano ba yung see? Death card. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, so, there's a transformation kasi Death card, hindi naman siya always negative. So, there's a transformation, there's a rebirth, meaning there will be a change nga from magta-transform talaga yung relationship ninyo into something better pa. From this transformation leads to the Nine of Pentacles, which says that there will be more freedom, lalo na sa inyo sa pag-express ninyo, lalo ng inyong mga nararamdaman, para mas mapag-usapan ninyo na siya, secured na kayo sa isa, and in the near future talaga, there will be this sense of independence in the relationship. Gets mo? Na parang hindi kayo na, yung dream ko nga, magagawa mo pa rin siya on your own. Your personal dreams, your personal goals, magagawa nyo pa rin siya even na involved kayo with the person or in a committed relationship kayo with your person. Kasi here, it's really this transformation that leads to this Nine of Pentacles, which is a sense of freedom. Parang, alam mo, hindi kayo restricted sa relationship. So, some more bottom of the deck. Sige. O see, the Chariot. So, first you might be also dealing with a Taurus, a Leo, fellow Leo, Scorpio, and a Cancer. Okay? And a Pisces as well. So, you might be dealing with those signs. Anyway, yeah, the Chariot and the Hangman means na the relationship is really progressing. You're really, you're taking action dun sa mga goals and plans ninyo as a person, and this gives peace and balance sa relationship ninyo. Okay? Kasi ito yung, you don't see coming naman that there's really balance and there's really this progress of performing and doing what both of you wanted to do even before pa kayo mag-commit together. Pero ngayon, may moral support pa, may support pa from each other, and may din mga goals na parang mag-shift din yung another part ng transformation is yung goals ninyo is kasama na siya. Pare, dati goal nyong mag-travel sa ibang bansa like Japan or sa Europe, ganyan. Pero dati, it's a dream na personal goal nyo na. Pero ngayon, it will shift to something na gusto nyo pa rin pumunta, pero now, with your significant other. Parang ganun. So, ayan. Sana nakatulong tong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Ingat!